You can change the main background image on your website or even add a slideshow. When doing this, it is important to make sure that the file size is optimized, as the larger the file, the longer it will take to load your website, which can negatively affect Google rankings. Please use an image optimization tool to do this. Also see my previous video on how to do this. Once you've optimized the image, on the dashboard, please visit the Content tab from the sidebar and select Homepage Slide. From here, you can either add a new image or you can edit the existing image. Editing the current image, you'll see an upload box where you can choose a new image. At this point, the file size should be optimized already, so you can either swap it or you can even edit the main text that appears on the website. Once you're happy with this, please click Update Homepage Slides. Adding a new image works in exactly the same way, but this would create a slideshow cycling through the images every 12 seconds.
Property Webmasters.